Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Subject computer application for 11th standard C section. So in this session we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 10 HTML structure tags part 1. In this session we are going to discuss two important topics of the lesson, introduction to HTML and writing HTML document. Introduction to HTML. In last chapter, in ninth chapter, we discussed about the internet and what is email, what are the advantages, how we can use internet securely, and what is the difference between web page and website, and what is the difference between dynamic web page and static web page. Now in this session we are going to see about the how we can create a web page document using HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Transfer Markup Language. It is a special markup language used to create web pages. This language tells the browser how to display the text, image, animation, and other contents of a hypertext document on the screen. So the language also tells how to make a document interactive through special hyperlinks. So it is not a word processing tool or a programming language. It is only a markup or page layout hyperlink specification language. It describes the structure of the document. So this language is developed by Tim Berners-Lee to share the documents in a common platform through with the different operating systems, because when very first the hypertext markup language was introduced in the US military camp in the Irfan.S, where many type of operating systems are used and they unable to see the data of one created in one operating system in the other different operating system. For example, the file which is created in Windows cannot be viewed in Unix, and the Unix created file cannot be shared in Macintosh, etc. So for to solve this problem, Tim Berners-Lee came up with this idea that converting all the data and viewing all the data into a common platform and viewing that common data in a special software called browsers. So that common format is called HTML. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to create a HTML document, how to write a HTML document. HTML is a markup language. Writing in a markup language is very simple, and directly you start the text of your web page, and in web document add a special tags around words and paragraphs. The tags are coded by the HTML. So in HTML, for formatting each and every paragraph, every line, every image, every content, every table, every frame, there was a separate tags. These tags are called HTML codes. Now in this lesson we are going to learn these tags. These tags is otherwise called as HTML commands or HTML keywords. These keywords, these commands, these HTML tags indicate the browser that the format of the particular data between the tags should be displayed in a specific manner which is already fixed in the HTML compiler. HTML is made up of tags and attributes. Tags are known as elements of HTML. Additional information such as color, alignment, etc. can be included in HTML. Tag is known as attribute. So tag is a element of HTML, and for the additional information we use the attribute within the tag. Attributes are used to improve the appearance of the content on the HTML web page document. So HTML code is used to create a web page and display our data in a specific style. That pattern is represented by the tags and attributes, and these tags specify within the angular brackets. So the codes of command HTML, the commands of HTML is always represent between these symbols. See one of the tag HTML tag. So this is called the HTML tag. This tag is not a case sensitive. It means we can either use in capital letter and small letter. There is no problem. So it is very simple and easy, which is already told you that one of the easiest and simplest method for creating a web document is HTML, and this is called tag. Each and every web page should begin with this tag and should be terminated with the close tag. So browser treat this tag as a command of HTML and give some information to the browser of displaying the content. So this is called the open tag, whereas the different tags is also available. We will see one by one. The HTML document structure. Whenever we create a document, that document contains the text of page itself and HTML tag which can define the structure and appearance of the document. So each and every web page should begin with the HTML tag, and each and every document should be end with the HTML close tag. So all the data which whatever we want to display in the document should be between this tag. So it is also contains hyperlink other pages or to include multimedia elements such as audio, video, animation, etc. So every document, every element which are included in the web page should be within this HTML tag. So this is the open HTML tag, this is the closed HTML tag. See in the diagram. So this is the open HTML tag, this is the closed HTML tag. In the same way, other tags is also used, but open tag always turn on the feature as heading, bold, center, etc. and closed dog terminate that feature. So close tag always begins with preceded with this slash. So here you can see the head tag, it also have a close tag. In the same way, the body tag which is also have a close tag. So close tag always terminate the feature of that particular tag, and without slash backslash, if you use any tag, that tag opens that feature. So this is called the HTML open and close tag, head and close tag, body and close tag. Whatever tag you want to use in your document you can use, but the only condition that tag should be within this HTML open and close tag. So in this manner only you should use the HTML document in your web pages. Next one, every web document has two sections. One is section head, another one is body. Heading section is used to show the title of the web page and title bar or tab heading in browser, where heading section should begin with the head tag and end with the close head tag. See, this is the heading section. To represent, this is the tag used to specify the heading section, open head tag, close head tag. The tag title is used to specify the title of the web page. Heading section is used to show the title of the web page, where the title tag is also show the title of the heading. So here you can see the title tag shows on the title of the web page or in the tab. So this title tag should be within head section. Next one, the body section. So here you can see the body section, it is open here and close here. So here the head section is open and close here, and here the title section is open here and close here. So these are the tags which should be used in every web page. HTML tag open close, head tag open close. Within the head tag we should use title open close tag. After head tag we can use the body tag or open and close tag. Whatever data is written inside this body tag will display on the body of the web document. See, this is the head of the document, this is the body of the document. All the data within body tag is display on the body. All the data which is display on the which is set in the title tag is display on the title of the web page or tab of the web browsers. Next one, the other structural tags of HTML is the HTML open and close tag identify the document as a HTML, and the close tag document should begin with the HTML and end with the close HTML. In the same way, head tag contains information about the document including its title, script used, style definition, document description, etc. In the same way, title tag contains the document title of the document, specifies between the open and close tag of the title tag. The title tag should be placed within head tag. It is the rule of the HTML. So title tag can be used, but the title tag should be within head tag. Next one, body tag enclose all the tags and text attributes information to be displayed on the web page body that should be within the open and close body tag. So Next one, HTML writing tool. So if you want to create a document using HTML, what we know it is only that two important software. Number one, a simple text editor. Number two, a web browser. By using this, we can develop a document and view the document in offline itself. There is no need of network connection or internet connection to upload the document or to download the document, to view the document, to check whether the web page is working or not. So there is no need of internet or network connection. We have only two softwares. One is Notepad or no sorry word processor. It may be a Notepad, it may be a MS Word, it may be a Open Office Writer. Any word processor can be used as a editor. Second one, we have a browser. A browser may be Google, it may be Internet Explorer, it may be Firefox. Next one, the creating a web page. The simple three steps are very easy to create a web page. Step number one, open a editor. In this case, in our syllabus, we are using a Notepad as a editor tool. So we can also use other editor tool, but the best example is Notepad. So open the Notepad by using the Start, All Programs, Accessories and Notepad option. After step 2, in the appearance of the notepad, type the HTML document. See here, after opening the notepad, we type all the document. Step 3, save the file as HTML. So go to the save or press Ctrl plus yes. Type the file name in the file name text box and .html as a extension. Select all files as a type. So here we type the file name with the extension .html and select the save as type as all files and click save button. So this is the simple method for creating the document. Now we will follow this method. We are going to create a first web page of our class. So first what we want to do, want to open notepad. So select start, go to the all programs, select accessories and select notepad, and then start typing the HTML content which we already discussed. I simply type the HTML tag. After that, type the close HTML tag, because every tag should be inside this HTML open and close tag. After that, type the head tag and closed h tag. And because every title tag should be within title head tag, so type the title. So title may be my first web page and close the title. There is no rule for using the tag in the manner. You can use it as your requirement. There is no restriction at all. So it is up to your choice. It is very simple. After that, open the body tag. After closing head tag, type the body. So now I am typing some content. For example, Mazharul Ulum Higher Secondary School, Ambo 635802, MC Road. So after that, close the body tag. So after typing the content, the third step is go to the file, select save. In the save as dialog box, type the file name. So I am going to type the file name as demo.html and save as type as all, and select the location where you want to save the content. I simply select the document location from the libraries where I am going to save the document, or we can also select the desktop if you want to save your document in your desktop, and then click save. Now your file web page is created, namely demo.html. Your web page ID is demo. So The next step, we created now a web page. The next step is to viewing a web page. How we can view the web page? This is also have very simple three step. Open a browser. It may be Internet Explorer or Google, Mozilla, Firefox, any web browser. Go to the file and open file or plus Ctrl plus O. From the open dialog box, select the file and then click OK. Then you can see the web page result. So I am also using the browser Google Chrome. So if you have want to use Internet Explorer, you can also use the Internet Explorer. But I'm using Google Chrome for first time, and I also try to explain how to open in Internet Explorer also. So first open in browser. So wait for a few minutes. This will open. After that, you can open your document. It takes two time. It's very slow. Okay, now Internet Explorer is open. Press Ctrl plus O. Now open dialog box appears. Select the browser button and select the location where you store the file. So we store the file in desktop. So select the location desktop and type the file name. That is our document web page document name is demo. So demo.html. So here you can see demo.html file is going to open. So here you can see the content of the web page. Vasalum Higher Secondary School, MC Road, Ambu. These data are inside the body tag, and here you can see the my first web page. These data are inside the uh, title tag. Now, next what we are going to see is how to view the source of that file. We know how to create the file. We create the file, we type the content in HTML in Notepad and view the result in browser. Now how we can see the source, that is the coding behind that web page. So the coding behind this web page can be viewed, that is called the source, by using the simple method. First right click on the browser, select the view page source or view source or Ctrl plus U in all browsers. So this is the shortcut to view the browser's source. So go to the web page browser and right click on the browser area and select the view source. Now here you can see the source, the all the codings which we type in the notepad and save it in the file name demo.html. So here you can see the coding of this web page. The other method is shortcut method. The shortcut is Ctrl plus U. So you can use this shortcut in other browsers in Chrome or any Mozilla Firefox, but it is not working in Internet Explorer. So simply select view source. So in this way we can view the source of the web page. The next content is editing and reloading the source. So after we see the source and we already after creating the web page, if you want to do any changes in the document or any heading, you can do that. So for for that you cannot use the view source method. In view source you cannot change the coding. So view source is the option to see only the codes, not unable to change. So remember that you cannot edit source file opened using the method. You learn about this. So by using this view source method, we only view the source, we are unable to edit. If you want to edit, so go to the folder in which your source file is located according to your default browser, and right click on the source file and edit. From the pop-up menu, select open with notepad. The simplest method, go to the notepad where we create the document, HTML document. Click Ctrl plus O or file plus open. So this is the location desktop where we store the our web page. So demo.html. Type the file name and click OK. Now here you can see the coding. So change it as your wish. So I am here adding a new data, that is after Tambur I am adding a new line, that is Tirupattur district, Tamil Nadu and India. So these are the three lines I added after creating document. After adding this, save the file, close this notepad file, again go to the browser where you open the file. So this is the file where we open. So if you want to see the changes now itself, then reload it or refresh it by simply pressing the refresh button. So this is the refresh button. So by using this you can refresh. Whenever you click the refresh button, whatever changes you made in the source code automatically display on this screen. So here you can see display Tirupattur district, Tamil Nadu, India lines will automatically display. In the same way, if you want to do some more changes, again go to the notepad, open the source file, that is the same file demo.html file from the particular location. So change it as your wish. So here I am adding Mazulum Higher Secondary School. Before that, the student of 11th C, I simply typed it, save it and go to the browser where you open the document. Simply press F5. Now here you can see the changes, the student of the 11th C. So in this way we can do the whatever changes we want to the document, HTML document, and simply pressing the F5 or Ctrl plus R or refresh button from Internet Explorer, we can see the changes in the browser document. So this is the end of the lesson. So try to create your own web page by using the above mentioned methods and prepare your well for your examination. Clear all your doubts. Best of luck. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.